Welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to use these sizers to size your ring. So the first one is with the arrow. Yes, push it a bit, so you might have a vague idea of how much your ring is, or maybe you don't. So just put it to your ring to size it, and then tighten it. So tighten it to wherever you think that's like comfortable, and the arrow points to your ring. So my ring is 14, my ring size is 14, so that's my size. Now I'm gonna show you how to use this one. Our jewelry usually comes with these, at least one of them. So this one, let's you can just start using it. It's the same mechanism as the previous one, and wherever you feel comfortable. Again, my size 14, so this has kind of a magnifying glass effect. In fact, it's got a small magnifying glass. That is size 14 and that is my size. Okay, now if you do not have those sizer things with you, you can just use a thread. The third way is to use just a thread, maybe a piece of paper. Roll it around your finger. Maybe if you have a second person helping you with this, that would be really good. Now, okay, it's a bit challenging, yeah, but now I think I can do it. All right, should be my size. Now I'm going to take scissors and cut the thread wherever I am confident that it is my size. Okay, now I'm going to take this. So after I have cut the thread, I'm going to use this measuring tape. So you should be able to see the size guide on to the right hand side on the screen now, and use the centimeter measurement. Okay, you just have to be careful because you don't want to mess up your ring size. I'm gonna hold it there, and then it says 7, but usually my size, it should say 7.5 or something. So maybe I that is why I said someone else should help you with the thread. So if it was 7.5 or something, then you would see my size is 14, and as you can see on the size guide, towards the right hand side. Okay, so this is how you measure your ring size, with different methods. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and share the video. Thank you very much.